Origin of Truth Missionary Ministries began in February 2014 as an outreach ministry to the community for the purpose of remodeling homes, businesses, churches, etc. As our ministry grew in name, OTMM began traveling around the country where our services were needed to cut costs for customers who are less fortunate and not able to pay a contractor. Here's a sample of what we have done. Our first carpentry project was done in Huntsville, Alabama. We remodeled a bathroom, a hallway floor, and patched up a ceiling which had sustained water damage. This was a project in Clifton, Tennessee. In this rural town, we assisted another company with putting up the walls of a home and installing the subfloor. In upstate New York, a church in Triangle had just had an addition done. We came in and did the finish work. The finish work included putting in the sheetrock, painting, installing doors, flooring, trim work, and installation. In Cape May, New Jersey, we were able to revive a vacation home for an elderly gentleman. This included lawn service, painting, cleaning the pool, installing floors, and doing ceiling work. Origin of Truth Christian Carpentry School is a trade school that teaches students how to build a home from the foundation up, how to read a blueprint, and how to use hand and power tools. Our mission is to equip our students to become self-sufficient. By learning a trade, they will always be employable and able to train others. They will also be able to save money on their own carpentry needs. We will also offer agricultural classes. Students will learn how to grow basic produce. We will offer courses in basic health. Students will learn principles to maintain good health and improve areas they need to change. Origin of Truth Christian Academy believes in practical biblical principles that should be applied to our daily lives. The Bible says, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it." The Academy will combine a quality academic education with sound biblical principles and practical knowledge, such as cooking, gardening, and other practical skills. Currently, we have our eyes on a couple of suitable properties to make this vision a reality. One is close by in Calhoun. This property has everything we need: a carpentry school building, boarding school, dorms, housing for staff, commercial kitchen, greenhouses, radio station, and much more. We have our trained professional staff, our curriculum for each school, our budget, and our projected expenses. We even have some potential students waiting. In conclusion, Origin of Truth Missionary Ministries firmly believe that we need to get back to laboring with our own hands. We've become a dependent society. We seek to reintroduce practical education. We see this as a benefit to the community, the future generations, and finally, to ourselves.